Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Genshin Impact on your mobile device. To download Genshin Impact on your mobile device is super easy. First of all, open up your App Store or your Google Play Store on your mobile device and go to the search box at the top and type in Genshin Impact. After typing it down, go ahead and look for this application from your search results. Tap on the download or the get button to start downloading the app on your device and wait for a couple of minutes until the application is completed the download process. Once the game is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open the game on your smartphone, and that's how you easily download the Genshin Impact application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.